Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Speak Learner. Income Tax 2026 Update. The new income tax rules for 2026 have brought a wave of relief for salaries, individuals, and small taxpayers. For the first time, people earning up to 12 lakh annually can enjoy a completely tax-free income under the revised regime. This update is a game changer for millions of Indians, providing more disposable income and boosting savings. Let's dive into the details and understand how these changes impact your pocket and financially planning this year. Under the new 2026 rules, individuals earning up to 12 lakh annually are not required to pay any income tax. This threshold marks a significant increase from previous years where the limit was lower. It means that middle class taxpayers will see a substantial reduction in their tax burden. This change also aligns with the government's aim to simplify taxation and encourage compliance while boosting disposable income for households across the country. The revised tax slabs now provide clear benefits for all income groups. Income between 12 lakh and 15 lakh is taxed at a lower rate, while earners continue to follow progressive taxation. This simplification makes it easier for taxpayers to calculate their dues and plan investments according with fewer complex slabs. Individual can now focus on savings and financial growth without worrying about unnecessary tax complications and hidden educations. Salaried employee will immediately feel the relief in their monthly take-home salary. With the 12 lakh tax-free limit, most middle-income professionals will see a noticeable increase in net income. The improvement encourages higher spending power and saving simultaneously. Companies are updating payroll systems to reflect these changes, ensuring smooth implementation. Overall, salaried taxpayer can now plan better for personal expenses, investments, and long-term goals with the worry about how tax deduction. Small business owners and freelancers are also stand to gain from the major update. Those with annual earning up to 12 lakh can now reinvest more into their ventures instead of paying heavy taxes. The simplified regime reduced paperwork, compliance burden, and stress around tax filing. It is expected that this boost will improve business growth and productivity, creating a healthier economic environments and encouraging entrepreneurship across India's small and medium enterprises sector. Even with the new tax-free limit, traditional exemption and deduction under section like 80C, 80D, and other remain unavailable. Taxpayers can continue claiming investments in PF insurance and eligible expenses, further reducing their taxable income if earning exceed the 12 lakh threshold. These provisions allow individuals to strategically plan finance while staying fully compliant. Understanding how these deductions interact with the new tax slabs key maximize benefits. The increased tax-free income directly enhance middle-class saving capacity. Households can allocate more funds to education, healthcare, and long-term investments without feeling the pinch of taxation. This change encourages financial discipline while simultaneously offering relief for day-to-day expenditure. The government hopes this will stimulate consumption, increase investment in personal growth, and strengthen the economy, making the new regime a win-win for taxpayers. With the simplified slabs and higher tax-free income, the filing process is now easier and more streamlined. Taxpayers can use the government update online portal or tax software to quickly calculate dues and submit returns. Reduced complexity also lower errors, audits, and penalties. The ease of filing ensures the individual can complete their returns confidently and on time, saving both time and effort while staying fully compliant with the new regulations. These 2026 updates are not just about immediate relief, they also help in long term financial planning. Individuals can now forecast income growth, tax liabilities, and investments with greater certainty. With the 12 lakh tax free limit, middle class earners can focus on retirement planning, wealth building, and risk management without being hindered by high tax rates. Strategic planning under this regime will result in stronger financial security for families across India. The Income Tax 2026 update is a landmark move that provides significant relief to middle income earners and simplifies the tax system for all. By raising the tax fee free threshold to 12 lakh, the government has empowered individuals to save more, spend wisely, and plan their finances effectively. Whether you are a salaried personal freelancer or small business owner, these changes bring both immediate and long term benefits. Embarrassing the new regime will ensure a smarter financially secure future for millions.